Hey everyone, it's Kelly Sonda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this video for the first time, please like, subscribe and share this video, okay? Now today we are going to be talking about NFP, okay? Yeah, so many people talk about NFP. What is NFP? How will I trade NFP? How can I make money from NFP? Okay, I will actually be showing you guys and also discuss like how I trade my own trades, how I trade my NFP. And today is actually NFP. Okay, yeah, we have less than 1 hour to NFP. Currently from my time is around 1:30 p.m. GMT. Okay, that is GMT. Yeah. Basically, NFP is actually what's called non-farm payroll. Okay, and what is non-farm payroll? Is a release of data. Like the US releases the data every first Friday of what every month. You understand? Every first Friday of every month the data is being released. That is like unemployment rate and the rest of them. You understand? And it's actually a major news. Like it's a high impact news. Okay, like the news affects the US dollar. You understand? The news affects the what? US dollar. Yeah. So the news affecting the US dollar means all US dollar pair, if it's actually bullish, all US dollar pairs will actually what move up, like, yeah, move up. Then those inversely correlated to the US dollar will actually what move lower or go down. That means trading the what forex market or any other market that is actually related to the US dollar. So as you can see here, non-farm payroll, I believe this was April data. And from this case you can see that the actual is what 413k, the focus is what 490k, then the previous is 750k. Okay, now I will explain this. Now when this actual here is lower than the previous, when actual is lower than the previous, it means that the what US dollar is going to what go down. You can see this sign is actually negative for the US dollar. That is US dollar what drop. If US dollar is dropping, for instance, USD card is dropping, USD JPY is dropping, pairs like Euro USD will actually what go up, JU, that is GBP USD, will actually what go up. Why the US dollar is dropping, they actually what going up. Gold will definitely what go, because all these are actually inversely what correlated to the what US dollar. But now when the actual is greater than the previous, for instance the actual here, let's say it was 950, it was greater than the previous, that means we are very what bullish. We are what bullish on the US dollar. Okay, we are actually bullish. And if the US dollar is bullish, that means the US dollar is what's going to go up. You understand? If the US dollar is going up, that implies that all inversely correlated pairs will actually be what going what lower. You understand? Coins like gold, Euro USD and GU, they're actually going to what come lower. But recently these years we don't really see what is it called, much volatility in NFT like before again, but definitely it's volatile. Okay, but now the next step is, how can I trade this NFP? How do I catch this move? How do I make money from this NFP move? Okay, so I'll be going over to my trading view right now. And please, the app I use for fundamental is what this investing.com. You can search it on Google Play Store, investing.com. okay, if you search for investing.com, then my broker is definitely what Xnest. The link is on the video description below. Okay, please, if you're watching this video up to now, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so I'll be going to my trading view right now. The app is still on Play Store. It's still on you can go to their website if you are using PC, or you still download the PC app. Okay, so I'll be going to trading view to show you like how you can actually get like make money from NFP or trade the NFP move. Basically it's actually risky, you cannot actually determine, and some brokers during the news period, they actually what increase their spreads. Like their spreads will be very wide, or some brokers don't even allow trades during NFP day or period. Okay, like the time. So it depends on your broker actually. So now let me go back to my trading view and let's use Euro USD for example. So this is my trading view, and this is euro us. As you can see, euro us is definitely what pushing up right now. Okay, I want to rotate my screen, just give me a minute. Okay guys, this is euro usd. Let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, this is euro usd on the daily time frame. You can see we are seeing some push to the upside on euro usd after this zone, like tested this zone, trying to push up. But I'm expecting an uptrend on euro, retest to this place, then continue. Okay, but that is, like, that is on the longer run. So for you to catch this nfp move, let's move over to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so going over to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that this is our high here, over here. Now this is the high, this high over here, and this is our low, definitely. So let's presume or assume that the US dollar was strong and it's or US dollar was weak in the NFT lead data. That means the US dollar is going to what, go down. So let's assume the US dollar was meant to go down. That means euro US is definitely what, going up. So but now remember, once they release this news, you will see that massive let's say momentum come into the market. You understand? So immediately that massive momentum enters the market, it actually what, draws back down or even lower, and later before the day ends still continues the normal price movement. So once the data is released, you just expect a sharp up move, like a sharp pump or anything. Then you can still see a dump, like within that time zone, like from 131 or so. You understand? Then market gradually comes back to its normal what, price movement. So let's say for instance the US dollar was actually weak, that means EU will be what, going up. So now when EU is going up, like, you don't actually, will I say, open the trade like from here to buy EU to go up, because the spread will be wide and it's very fast. If you're not fast enough, you cannot actually catch the move. Okay, so setting limit orders or trading the reversal will actually help you. So for you setting limit order, you can actually just place a limit order above this high here. You understand? Above this high here for a sell. You understand? You can just place with a tight stop loss, let it not break this zone actually, then expect to sell back lower, because once the pump happens, it's going to definitely come back, then later go back to its market. But it doesn't, like, some volatility are much. You can still see a massive uptrend, like, you cannot just presume it. So nfp is generally risky, and if you don't really have a strong strategy for it, just like gambling. But I have a fact to say: if your analysis is actually correct, it's going to definitely move with what, nfp. That means to say, if your technical analysis is at what, correct, your fundamental should be also, like, it should actually rhyme with your fundamental analysis. So this is the example for will I say EU, using EU. So let's go back to USD card actually. So you can see USD card is actually trying to make it high. So if it is bullish, we might see an uptrend that goes over to this high, then drop. You understand? And if it's bearish, you can just see a drop, then up, like, so that is that. You cannot just predict, like, it's like gambling. Even some professional traders don't actually trade NFP or news release. You understand? So that is that. And also, if you need our signals or updates, because we update our Telegram channel, check the video description below. Join our Telegram, because I actually drop signals and updates there. You understand? So, and if you're also watching this YouTube video up to now, please like, subscribe, and share our YouTube channel. And don't forget to also follow me on what, Instagram. I'll be dropping more insights about it on our Telegram channel, so do well to join. Then if you want to learn forex trading, or you want to upgrade your game, or you don't actually like the way you are doing your trading, you can actually contact me on WhatsApp, then we'll talk about it. You understand? So thanks for watching this YouTube video. Bye.